Not every emotional struggle is visible. Some people smile in public, appear confident, and seem completely fine. But beneath the surface, their thoughts and emotions may be in constant turmoil. Today, we're going to explore 7 psychological signs that can indicate emotional instability or serious emotional distress. These signs do not automatically mean someone has a mental illness. However, when several of these behaviors appear repeatedly, they may signal that a person is struggling internally. Let's begin. 1. Extreme and unpredictable mood swings. Everyone experiences emotional ups and downs. But emotionally unstable people often swing from happiness to anger, excitement to sadness, or affection to hostility within a very short period of time. One day they may praise you. The next day they may criticize you for no clear reason. These sudden emotional shifts can confuse friends, family members, and coworkers. Often the person themselves struggles to understand why their emotions change so rapidly. 2. Overreacting to minor situations. A small disagreement becomes a major argument. A simple mistake feels like a personal attack. A delayed text message is interpreted as rejection. When emotional instability is present, ordinary situations can trigger unusually intense reactions. The response becomes much bigger than the actual problem. This often creates unnecessary conflict and emotional exhaustion. 3. Constant suspicion and distrust. Trust is the foundation of healthy relationships. But emotionally unstable individuals often struggle to trust others. They may assume people are lying, judging them, or planning to hurt them. Even when there is little evidence, they constantly expect betrayal. Over time, this mindset damages relationships and increases feelings of loneliness. People begin to pull away because they feel unfairly accused or misunderstood. 4. Impulsive and reckless decisions. Impulsive behavior is another common warning sign. These individuals may make important decisions without thinking about the consequences. They might suddenly quit a job, end a relationship, spend large amounts of money, or take unnecessary risks. In the moment, the decision feels right, but later, they often regret acting on emotions rather than logic. Emotional discomfort can push people toward quick decisions that create long-term problems. 5. Difficulty accepting responsibility. Nobody likes admitting mistakes, but emotionally unstable people often find it especially difficult. When something goes wrong, they quickly blame other people, bad luck, or unfair circumstances. Accepting responsibility feels threatening because it forces them to confront uncomfortable emotions. As a result, they repeat the same mistakes over and over again. Personal growth becomes difficult when accountability is constantly avoided. 6. Intense fear of rejection or abandonment. Many people dislike being rejected. But for emotionally unstable individuals, rejection can feel devastating. They may become overly attached to others. They constantly seek reassurance. They worry that loved ones will leave them. Sometimes this fear causes clingy behavior. Other times it causes them to push people away before they can be hurt. Either way, relationships become unstable and emotionally draining. 7. Constant negative thinking and emotional chaos. The final sign is persistent inner chaos. Their mind rarely feels at peace. They overthink conversations. They replay old mistakes. They imagine worst-case scenarios. They constantly worry about things that may never happen. This endless cycle of negative thinking creates stress, anxiety, and emotional exhaustion. Over time, it becomes difficult to enjoy life or focus on the present moment.